My money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. It makes me want to dribble dribble, you know, riding in my Fiat. You really have to see it.
I'm in a Fiat. This is not my normal car. I just pulled up to the Glendale Community College. It looks beautiful. This is where the whole shebang is happening. The first ever Low Clarinet Festival. I don't know what to expect. There's a concert that begins at 10 that I kind of want to catch. And then a masterclass at 11 that I want to catch on, I think, extended techniques.
Is being released and hitting the mouthpiece. So it's like if you were to take your, if you wanted to record it, you could take your hand and you could basically manually do it, and it's just popping. It's a piece of wood that's hitting the, the mouthpiece.
So Colin has an aunt and uncle out here, so we just had lunch with them, and then we went to a rock and gem show, which if you haven't seen my last vlog, go over there right now because I got some pretty cool rocks. It has been a whole day. I'm about to head in for rehearsal with the Low Clarinet Choir. So we're back for more fun, basically. Anyway, let's go.
Have you had a chance to go to...
So my phone is literally about to die. I'm in a practice room for the first time in like a decade. Check it out. Here's a little clip if you want to see what I'm practicing. There are palm trees. There are palm trees here. Hi, it's me again. It's day 2 of the Clarinet Festival. For me, it's day 3 for everybody else because I got here a day late. I'm going to a master class this morning on instrument repair, like bass clarinet specific instrument repair. And then after that, I'm going to another master class on improv, which is going to be super fun. That actually a friend of mine is teaching, so that's going to be really cool. One of the bass clarinetists in The Improbable Beast is also in it's a duo for bass clarinet and marimba. They're called Transient Canvas. Check them out. They have a performance, and then after the performance, we have an Improbable Beast rehearsal, and then we have a Low Clarinet Choir rehearsal, and then we have an Improbable Beast sound check, and then we have the concert tonight. So tonight is performance night. I'm super excited to be here, super thrilled. It's been so much fun. So much bass clarinet. And like, if you know me, I used to hate bass clarinet, and now here I am at the Low Clarinet Festival doing all bass clarinet stuff, so. Things I didn't think would be on my bucket list is playing a 3D printed bass clarinet.
Probably like another week of just like getting everything set up, getting everything kind of adjusted, getting all the keys, right?
And how many keys did you screw
A
instrument?
lot of times. Because like, even if it's just like a millimeter off, it just doesn't work.
Yeah.
Is this like in a different key? Is that what you were saying?
It's in G.
Interesting.
When you're doing double register, can you switch them or do you push them both?
Switch them.
Okay.
I also just met Michael Lowenstern. Made some new friends. Played a 3D printed bass clarinet that happens to be in the key of G. Like, what? Where am I? It's sunny. There's palm trees. I'm having the best time. I don't want to move here. It's gorgeous. Like, it's January and it's 70 degrees. This is a thing that happens in the world that's real. Why am I not here? Why do I live in Boston where whenever I want to go outside in January, it hurts to be outside? Follow the sound of the bass clarinets.
Are you filming this?
Squonk, check them out. I just got back from playing the concert and I am just so happy and proud, and the concert went so well, and it's such a supportive environment. I'll talk more about it, but I am just glowing, and I'm about to stuff my face with Whataburger because I've never been to a Whataburger before. All right, so today is the last day of a clarinet festival that I'm doing. We're gonna have breakfast, then we're going back to the festival for the last day. seriously had such a good time.
That is awesome. So all that anxiety and fretting and
I didn't
I'm just gonna go and do the bee sting. That's it. You remember saying that, right?
Yes, I do remember saying that.
Yeah, I don't really want to go on Sunday. I don't want to be quiet. I don't want to do rehearsal. I'm just gonna go and play the bee sting.
Well, it ended up being really fun, and I want to do it again. I don't want it to end, and I feel like the way I felt when band camp ended, when I was just really, really sad. So in a way, this was kind of like band camp, except everyone was good and everyone played bass clarinet.